Hello everyone, welcome to Ansari Brother Technology channel. This video is a tribute to National Education Day. India celebrates National Education Day on November 11 each year to reflect Maulana Abul Kalam Azad accomplishment as India's first education minister. The theme of this day is embracing innovation. We at Ansari Brother Technology channel focus and support innovations and technology by video tutorial, like to share and spread the awareness across globe that education plays vital roles in everybody's life. Join with us in our journey of teaching and learning innovations using YouTube medium. If you are new to our channel, please hit the like button and subscribe us for more technological videos. Thanks for watching with us. Stay tuned for more videos. Do like, share and subscribe.